Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device. If you are using Google Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Settings. On the search bar, type Hardware Acceleration and toggle it off. Tap Relaunch for it to take effect. Next, go to netflix.com and sign in. Select the movie or show you want to share. Then go to Discord and add server. Now tap Screen to share your screen. Tap Window and select the Netflix window. Tap Share. And that's how you stream Netflix on Discord. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.